everybody, it's the Enchanted Emerald Sword. What I've done here is I've planned something out. I'm going to make a little cottage, and first of all, I'm going to show you that all of the controls. You know, your mouse has your cursor. First button to create place and use is left click, right click, and punch, and break. Yeah, that's what you do. When I did this, it's F1. When I did F3, it does this. And of course. Well, never mind. If you hit F3 and D, it will show you the hitboxes. If you is this the skill button over here? I don't know. But if I just see the hitbox, I made an iron sword. Yay! I just found an achievement. I don't know if that's approaching, but anyway, what episode are we on? We're on number 7. On episode number 7, on the villager, we're going to make a little cottage. We need to mine wood. And if we hit F3 and H, it'll show us. Now it won't tell us. See, I would like to search for some mobs right now. Oh yeah, no. Pretty much nothing. Or a stack of potatoes. Okay guys? I think I'm gonna hit it again. I just need a stack of these. I'll put these up close. This one is on top. Oh, see, I can see my hippie. I was just scared of it. I need to kill a creeper actually. Why do I need rotten flesh? No, I don't need it. Anyway guys, no, it's not the end of the video. I'm switching it. Whatever. This thing here just need to go. Where are these guys? Oh, creeper! I never knew that was a creeper. That freaked me out. Oh, a spider. Never knew you were a spider. Go away. So, you don't have any properties. So do you. Just blow up! You want to kill me? You want to kill me? Blow up. Okay, I killed some guys. Okay, we got some experience. First of all, I want to find a skeleton. Here's a skeleton. Over here. Oh, it's several! Oh, your arrows are. Oh, and it tells you the hitbox of the arrow. Hey, no! What was that for? spider. Hey! No! You get killed. Okay, if I just quickly do this. Sorry, but bye. Ugh. I can make boots. But anyway, if I arrive this time, then it's why? Really? That's what you make me do. Short bite. But this is the first time I ever died. What is this loud thing? An oxide. An oxide? Oh, they're guarding my stuff like a pro. You know what, Zombie? You ain't having this. You ain't having any. You ain't. So you scared of what? You ain't having any. You ain't having any. Stop it. Come on. Come here with my stuff, please. The stuff needs to stay there. If it doesn't, don't do it. Okay. My stuff is staying. That guy was being selfish. These guys really want to fight. Okay. Oh, wow. Wow. Okay, let me regen. Okay? Oh, I know why that hit me. Yes, we have planned today, and we've got to build a little cottage. It shouldn't be very little. We need an axe to destroy the blocks. After this, I'll do a next episode, next video, whatever. If you do enjoy the series, definitely leave a like down there, and subscribe for more, please do. And I hope you did enjoy the video of me dying a lot. It's a very successful video. Well, it was actually, but successful video enough. Not gonna lie. Pretty much, I think it's the end of this one. Oh, and I don't like the hitboxes, so I'm gonna F3 and F3. Tell me what you like about this series. Tell me what makes me want to do more, and I'm just gonna use some random stuff. Yeah, so leave a like,